In this video, I'll show you how to install the Tradinghub012 MT5 template. So download the zip file to follow as we install. The link is in the description. Extract the zip. Inside you will find two indicators, the session indicator and the candle close time indicator. And you'll also find the template. So open up your MT5. On your left hand corner, go to File, then open Data folder, or you can just press Ctrl+Shift+D and this folder will open. Then open up MQL5, open Indicators, then open Free Indicators. This is where you will paste your indicators. Go back to MQL5 and open the Profile folder. Then open Templates, paste your MT5 templates here. When you're done, close your MT5 platform to restart it. This will allow the MT5 to read the new indicators and templates. Reopen the MT5, open your new template and enjoy clean charts. Watch this playlist. This playlist contains all your questions related to trading. Make sure to watch the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe so we can reach a broader audience. Happy trading.